How a male becomes erectile. An erection is a natural process that happens when the brain, nerves, blood vessels, and hormones all work together. Let's understand step by step. It starts with sexual arousal. This can be caused by physical touch, romantic thoughts, or even visual stimulation. The brain recognizes this arousal and sends signals through the spinal cord to the nerves that go directly to the penis. These nerve endings release a chemical called nitric oxide. This chemical is very important because it relaxes the smooth muscles in the walls of the penile blood vessels. When these muscles relax, the arteries widen and more blood can flow in. Inside the penis, there are two special sponge-like chambers called the corpora cavernosa. As the arteries widen, a large amount of blood enters these chambers and begins to fill them. At the same time, the veins that normally drain blood away from the penis are pressed and narrowed. This means that blood cannot easily leave. Because of this balance, more blood flowing in, but less blood flowing out, the penis gradually becomes larger, harder, and upright. This is what we call an erection. The erection is maintained as long as sexual stimulation continues and blood remains trapped inside the corpora cavernosa. The penis stays rigid because of the pressure of the trapped blood. Once sexual stimulation ends or after ejaculation, the chemical signals in the body change. The smooth muscles tighten again, the arteries become narrow, and the veins open back up. This allows blood to leave the penis, and it slowly returns to its soft and relaxed state. This process is called detumescence. In conclusion, erection is not just a sudden change. It is a carefully controlled event in which the brain, nerves, blood vessels, and hormones all play their part. Healthy circulation, balanced hormones, and good mental health are essential for normal erectile function.